be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I thought I'd take you along with me as I do the easiest of DIYs for my dining room. I hope you enjoy. Guys, for so long I've wanted one of those Banquette seating benches. I've been obsessed with them, but just can't find them here in Australia. Now, I could have annoyed hubby to make me one, but we just don't want to go there. So I decided to take a look at Pinterest and had an aha moment when I discovered I could make one out of a bed head. Now, a few weeks ago, I managed to score this beautiful tufted bed head from 1825 Interiors. I fell in love with it the moment I seen it, guys, and I knew it would be perfect for the back of my Banquette seating. Now, I didn't want too much construction, guys, but then I had an aha moment once again when I decided that I didn't need to construct at all. For a few years now, I've had this tufted bench, also from 1825, and all I'm going to do, guys, is slide it in front of the bed head.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Guys, I was already loving what I was seeing, and I decided to style it instantly with some cushions.
Jesse was born on a winter's night in the middle of a storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house.
I also added this beautiful pink and white throw. To the top of my bench, I also added this beautiful rustic clock. Now, the design I was aiming for, guys, was to put two bookcases either side of the bench. Now, I have these bookcases that I've had for a few years from Fantastic Furniture, and what I do is I actually change out the backs of them for different styles. Really inexpensive. Now, because I've been stuck at home, I've been shopping my own home for leftover fabric, even wrapping paper, so you can see that I've been trying to make a decision with what backing I was going to use. After going through my stash of fabrics that I have in my garage, I decided that I would go for this beautiful latte coloured buffalo check fabric. I was a little nervous here, guys, because I wasn't sure at this point if I had enough, but I decided to see if I could cut out 10 pieces. And what I'm going to do to glue it to the back, I use this adhesive spray. Luckily for me, I just made 10 pieces, and I love that it was a very neutral colour that would be perfect when I add pops of colour. Here I'm just making sure everything is lined up and in place, and then smoothing it out with my hand.
Jesse came home on a Friday night in the middle of a game. He left her for the bottle once again. Don't cry, honey, it'll all work out. It's a big old world out there. You'll be on your feet, but you're always welcome here. So just keep going, find your way in this world.
I absolutely love how these came, guys, and now was the fun part of styling them.
Keep on searching for your pot of gold. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on going, find your way.
I started by adding this adorable bird to the top of the bookcase.
Us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your pot of gold. If you need us,
When styling my bookcases, I love to switch things around until I feel that I like what I'm seeing.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
I then started on my second bookcase.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Guys, I absolutely love how this came, and guess what? The best part of all, it did not require a handyman. Who doesn't love a DIY that does not require a handyman? And I think I really like the fact that if I do get tired of this look, I can reuse the bed head. I can definitely reuse the storage bench, and I love that I was able to repurpose what I already had, and I was able to get the look that I was aiming for.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Now guys, this was a really simple DIY. Your girl Chelle did this entirely herself. I'm so proud of myself that I didn't have to annoy hubby.
Yeah, I wonder.
Guys, with everything that is happening around the world at the moment, I want you to know that I'm all thinking of you. I want you to take the time, of course, to spend with your family, but I want you to also find time for you. Simple things like these things bring my heart so much joy. I recommend that in times where we can't leave the house, shop your own home. Find things that you can recreate or give a new lease of life. You'll be surprised at how much joy this brings.
Lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing
Now I chose to use a queen size bedhead here, guys, purely because I had quite a long wall behind my dining table and I knew that with my bookends either side it would complete the space. However, this would look still great with either a double bedhead or even a single, just depending on the space that you're trying to create. I also think this type of look would look amazing in an entryway. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to creating your very own banquet bench. Please stay safe, my beautiful friends. I'm thinking of you all. During these dark times, make the most of spending quality time with your family. Enjoy the little things, like little projects that you're doing around the house, and enjoying time where you can read a book or maybe do a puzzle like I am here. I hope you are all safe and well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.